Hey, greetings from Texas. Hey, this is going to be a two-for video. I'm going to make some burgers here on the Blackstone griddle, kind of my variation of just a plain McDonald's. They're plain regular cheeseburger and a White Castle burger. So we're going to incorporate some dried minced onions into the patties and then smash them down on the griddle. Also, a channel shout out to In the Backyard with Dell. Dell's a great guy. He recently won one of my giveaway prizes, which was a climate hammock. I'll put a link to that video below. He did a great review on it. Anyway, he's just a really nice guy. I would love to have him as a neighbor because he has skills, toys, and he'd give you the shirt off his back. So anyway, this is for Dell. And he's got a Blackstone griddle. And I watched one of his videos the other day, but made a bunch of burgers for some friends. And so Dell, this is for you, and maybe something that you can try on your Blackstone griddle. Okay, we just have some minced onion, and this will help give us a White Castle flavor profile. And we just put a little bit of water just to kind of cover it a little bit, and in about a half an hour that'll all be reconstituted. All right, so what I did is I took that pound of hamburger, cut that in half, and then divided one half of it. I put the other half away into 4 pieces, roughly 1/8 pound, similar to what a McDonald's hamburger patty is. We have some butter, which will kick this up a notch. And we have our minced onion, salt and pepper, some cheese, and these smaller hot dog buns, which I get at Dollar General. I think they're made by Clover Valley. So they're perfect for these hybrid McDonald White Castle burgers. So with the minced onion, it's going to give us that White Castle unique flavor that they have. The brown butter's going to help just help it caramelize and kick it up a notch. And then on standby, we have hamburger dill slices and just ketchup and mustard. Okay, first off, we're going to get our buns toasted and prepped. I got this up pretty high, so you want to keep an eye on it. And once those are done toasting, we'll pull them off and do our burgers. All right, let's prep our griddle. We're going to take these and just make them into little balls. All right, now we're going to throw on some butter. And I have a piece of parchment paper here. And you're just going to smash that as flat as you can. A little better. Okay, now we're going to season salt and pepper. Now we're going to take our minced onion. I like a lot of onion. And we're just gonna take a little bit of butter. And just like that, they're ready to flip. You can see that nice caramelization. It didn't take long. Good reason why you do want to make a ball is that this one kind of got oblong. Okay, and just like that, they are done. Okay, let's build our burger. Sabrina doesn't want cheese. And it's that simple. So I'm doing cheese on mine. And we got some chili cheese. Windows. Okay, we have our McCastles. All right, Del, this one's for you, buddy. Cheers. How is it?
Good.
Does it taste like a McDonald's basic hamburger?
I don't know. I haven't eaten McDonald's in so long. I wouldn't know.
Okay. There you have it, folks. Another expert review by Sabrina. Actually, I think it's better. Especially because of the butter.
Well, everything homemade's better, right?
Yeah. All right. If you haven't, go check out Del's channel. There's going to be a link in the description. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching.